Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, thank you for being here again today, and it's me Dr. Azrul. We'll be here to continue my lecture topic on a new chapter called Abstract Classes and Interface. And for today, we will be only covering some basic introduction on its definition and simple implementation that demonstrate the needs of abstract classes in our program. At the end of this video, we will look into an example of abstract classes, and perhaps you should be able to understand the important concept of abstract classes. Here comes the learning objective of the chapter. At the end of this chapter, you should be able to construct and implement abstract classes. Then you should also able to specify common behavior for objects using interface, which we will look in another upcoming video. And finally, you are able to explain the similarities and difference among concrete classes and abstract classes and interface. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we will only covering abstract classes for today, while the interface topic will be covered later. Right. What is abstract classes? And how do you compare abstract classes and concrete classes? For your information, in Java programming, there are two categories of classes called concrete class and abstract class. Okay, listen carefully. All programs which you have learned and built before this were implementing concrete classes. In short, concrete class is defined as any classes that were physically declared and implemented in most common programs. In concrete class, there will be one and more concrete methods which have their own implementation. Just remember, all programs which you have committed before are using concrete classes. And now, in this chapter, we are learning a new concept of abstract classes. Abstract class is like regular class with data and method. The class should be extended and implemented by its subclasses. So this is somewhat interesting, which means it provides a contract between superclass and its subclasses. You are required to recall the concept of inheritance again in this topic. Abstract classes can provide implementation, however, it cannot be instantiated using the new operator. The following syntax demonstrates how a public abstract class can be declared. As compared to the concrete class declaration, abstract class include a keyword abstract in its declaration. Simple and straightforward. We move to the next slide. Every class should contain methods in its implementation. Same goes to abstract class. It contains abstract methods. However, an abstract method can be defined as a method signature or method header without implementation, meaning that it contains nothing in its body. The implementation is provided and implemented by its subclasses. The following syntax shows the declaration of an abstract method. If your method does contain parameter, then you may include them in the bracket as you made it in concrete method. Okay, now we move to our first example. The following program illustrates three classes. One is abstract class called class A, and another two are concrete classes called class abstract demo and class B. As we look properly into the program, class B is a subclass of class A, which saying that class B inheriting class A. Class A is declared as abstract class and consists of one abstract method called showMe and one concrete method called showMe2. As you can see as you can see and observe clearly, abstract method show me only declare by its header or signature without implementation, while concrete method show me too has its implementation that is print out. This is a concrete method. In contrast to the class A, class B is declared as concrete class and it only contains one concrete method, that implementing abstract method from abstract class A called void show me. This is because every subclass of any abstract superclass should implement all abstract methods listed from the superclass. Please remember, in this example, class B extends class A and you're supposed to know what its meaning. The method show me will print out B implementation of show me. Hoping that you are clear at this stage. And now we move to the main method. It is very clear and well understood that we are creating new object for class B named B. Then we are using this B object to invoke show me method that is implemented in class B. And the next statement will invoke show me to method that is implemented in class A. Try to make your program in Eclipse editor and look how output is produced. By doing this example, you should be able to understand the basic concept of abstract classes and abstract methods, and how you can differ them towards concrete classes and method. Okay guys, according to the program we have looked just now, this slide will provide some concluding remarks on the implementation of abstract class. First, an abstract class method cannot be contained in non-abstract class or concrete class, which means abstract method should be declared and belongs to abstract class only. If a subclass of an abstract superclass does not implement all the abstract methods, the subclass must declare as abstract as well. In the other word, a concrete subclass, extended from abstract class must implement all the abstract method even if they are not used in the subclass. An abstract class cannot be instantiated using new operator, but you still can define its constructor, which are invoked in the constructor of its subclasses. Okay, more and more summary and remarks. For your information, these are all the best guidelines for you before you deal with abstract classes implementation. It is a very huge benefits. Right, a class that contains abstract methods must be declared as abstract class. However, it is possible to declare an abstract class without having any specific abstract method. Got it? Read slowly and inshallah you will be able to understand it. Next, a subclass can be an abstract even if its superclass is a concrete type. And finally, a subclass can override a method from its superclass to declare it as abstract. But this is very rare, and perhaps I don't have the best example to represent situation for this case. And finally, the last slide for today's lesson, we know that any abstract class cannot be instantiated by using new operator, but it can be used as a data type as shown in the following example. According to the statement, we create an element of array named geo, whose elements are of geometric object type, and this is okay and fine. We will expand this example in the next topic. For now, I am hoping that you can try to write any specific example of abstract classes and find more references from the Google for your own knowledge. Finding and doing more and more examples in programming will enhance your programming skills. Okay, till then, thanks for watching and listening. We end up our video today with Tasbih Kifara and Surah Wal Asr. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.